Hello kids. Let's learn A to Z tracing. But before this please, subscribe, share and like my channel. So let's start.
Pink, green, red, purple, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you.